Bore da yn ti'n iawn. Nesser amser story. A couple of weeks ago, a local called Gwen started sharing amongst the other farmers that my sheep have scab. I come from a farming background. Cattle farmers, basically, we were big into horses. I've been farming sheep for 4 years and I've had fowl for decades. This local woman called Gwen, she's one of those Welsh language people who weaponize it, who make the Welsh language so toxic. This just didn't start a few weeks ago. We were always told when we moved here to get Gwen on our side. About nearly a year and a half ago, I was speaking to her a sister in siarad Cymraeg, and then she come up behind her sister and said, "Oh, don't speak to him. He's from South Wales and his Welsh language is not as good as ours." Immediately, they started speaking English to me, and that's it. Part 3 to come.